CHS Group Orientation, Module 1, Section 5, Grievance and Appeals. Since the late 1990s, both Michigan and the federal government have set up laws for people receiving Medicaid, giving them the right to challenge the county when something happens with their services and they disagree with it. Each county has a person assigned to deal with the grievance and appeal process, and consumers who file a grievance and appeal are free from discrimination or retaliation. The goal is to resolve concerns and improve the quality of services on a local level as much as possible. The grievance and appeal process is about resolving service concerns, not rights complaints or staff concerns. The purpose of the grievance and appeal process is to give clients ways they can ask and receive for a second opinion if they're not happy with the authorized services, ask for an appeal if the services they want are denied, limited, or taken away, file a grievance if they are not happy with other parts of their services or supports. Second opinion. Consumers must be offered a second opinion when they're denied mental health services at community mental health or when they're denied hospitalization. This is a requirement of the Michigan Mental Health Code. A second opinion must be provided by a physician, licensed psychologist, registered professional nurse, master's level psychologist, or master's level social worker. Consumers have 30 days to request a second opinion, and it is free of charge. A grievance. A grievance is a consumer's ability to express when they're not happy with some part of their services and supports, and it's not related to something they could appeal or a protected right that would be handled by recipient rights. A grievance can be filed by a consumer or a guardian. A grievance can be filed verbally or in writing. The grievance process is only done on the local level by community mental health. There is no time limit on when a grievance can be filed. Grievances are handled by the customer services from the county health organization. Customer services must complete the grievance in 60 days and give a written response. An appeal. An appeal is a consumer's request to review a decision that has been made about their services. An appeal can happen when a consumer is denied a service they asked for, or when a consumer does not get the amount of services they asked for and they're not satisfied with the reason for the denial. They can also file an appeal when it takes more than 14 days to answer the request for services, or it takes longer than 14 days to provide a service that has already been approved. Finally, an appeal can happen when a consumer already gets service and it is being suspended, reduced, or terminated. The administrative hearing. If the client is not satisfied with the result from the local level, they can request an appeal from the state level. This is called the Medicaid Fair Hearing. It sits before an administrative law judge who listens to every party and their argument, and he or she makes a decision which is legally binding to all parties and is final. Be sure to contact your supervisor for more information about how a client can file a grievance.